ऐसी बात नहीं है। It is nothing like that. Nothing as such. मैं नहीं मानता। I don't agree. I don't believe. उसे बुखार है। He has fever. He is suffering from fever. हमारे पास 2 दुकानें हैं। We have 2 shops. We have 2 shops. आज तुम स्कूल क्यों नहीं गए? Why did you not go to school today? Why did you not go to school today? क्या हुआ? What happened? What's the matter? जरा मैं तैयार हो लूँ। Let me get ready. Let me get ready. घबराने की बात नहीं है। Not to worry. Nothing to worry about. तुम्हारे पास बहुत साड़ियाँ हैं। You have many sarees. You have many sarees. हमें खाना बनाना पड़ा था। We had to cook the food. We had to cook the food. रोशनी को गीत गाना पड़ा था। रोशनी had to sing a song. रोशनी had to sing a song. पिताजी को दिल्ली जाना पड़ा था। Father had to go to Delhi. Father had to go to Delhi. मैं भी साथ चलूं। May I accompany you? Shall I accompany you? क्या शाम आ रहा है? Is Shyam coming? Is Shyam coming? हालांकि मैं सोच रहा था। Though I was thinking. Though I was thinking. वह मेरा दूर का रिश्तेदार है। He is my distant relative. He is my distant relative. मुझे नींद आ रही है। I am feeling sleepy. I am feeling sleepy. तुम कौन सी फिल्म देखना पसंद करोगी? Which movie would you like to watch? Which movie would you like to watch? तुम्हें कौन सा गाना सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद है? Which song do you like the most? Which song do you like the most? मेरे भाई को अपना काम पूरा करना है। My brother has to complete his work. My brother has to complete his work. मेरी माताजी को खाना बनाना है। My mother has to cook the food. My mother has to cook the food. राम कब पढ़ता है? When Ram study. When does Ram study? तुमने सीता को कब देखा? When did you see Sita? When did you see Sita? मैं कल आपको फ़ोन करूँगा। I will call you tomorrow. I will call you tomorrow. इस बात को अपने तक ही रखना। Keep it up to yourself. Keep it up to yourself. सोनाली को यहाँ आना है। Sonali has to come here. Sonali has to come here. मुझे कपड़े धोने हैं। I have to wash the clothes. I have to wash the clothes. आपका भाई कहाँ काम करता है? Where does your brother work? Where does your brother work? आपने ये पुस्तक कहाँ से ली? Where did you take this book from? Where did you take this book from? क्या झगड़ा है? What's the conflict? What's the dispute? वो अभी गया है। He has just gone. He has just left. शांत रहिए। Be quiet. Be quiet. तुम्हारे पिताजी क्या काम करते हैं? What is your father do? What is your father do? राम आजकल क्या कर रहा है? What is Ram doing these days? What is Ram doing these days? समझदार को इशारा ही काफ़ी होता है। A word to wise is enough. A word too wise is enough. मैं एक इंजीनियर हूँ. I am an engineer. I am an engineer. वह एक लड़का है. That is a boy. That is a boy. क्या तुमने कोशिश की? Did you try? Did you try? तुमने अपने भविष्य के लिए क्या सोचा है? What have you planned for your career? What have you planned for your career? इसमें खास बात क्या है? What's so special in it? What's so remarkable in it? आपकी कृपा होगी. It's kind of you. It's kind of you. यह टेबल पुरानी है. This table is old. This table is old. गोपाल मेरा मित्र है. Gopal is my friend. Gopal is my friend. डांस किसने किया? Who danced? Who danced? देहरादून कौन जाएगा? Who will go to देहरादून? Who will go to देहरादून? 4 दिन की चांदनी फिर अंधेरी रात. It's a 9 days wonder. It's a 9 days wonder. आप तो बिल्कुल भोले हो. You are so innocent. You are so innocent. आपको किससे मिलना है? Whom do you want to meet? Whom do you want to meet? मुझसे कौन मिलना चाहता है? Who wants to meet me? Who wants to meet me? वह बड़ा पत्थर दिल है. He is a hard-hearted person. He is a hard-hearted person. मामला बिगड़ गया है. The matter has become serious. The matter has become serious. वह मेरा भाई है. He is my brother. He is my brother. ये मेरी किताबें हैं. These are my books. These are my books. तुम दफ्तर कैसे जाते हो? How do you go to office? How do you go to office? अब आपकी तबीयत कैसी है? How are you now? How are you now? यह काम करना कोई बच्चों का खेल नहीं है. Doing this work is not a child's play. Doing this work is not a child's play. क्या ये है तुम्हारे बात करने का तरीका? Is this the way you talk? Is this the way you talk? यह मेरी घड़ी है. This is my watch. This is my watch. तुम एक लड़की हो. You are a girl. You are a girl. देहरादून में मौसम कैसा है? How is the weather in देहरादून? How is the weather in देहरादून? तुम्हारे पिताजी की आयु कितनी है? How old is your father? How old is your father? मैंने यह बात नहीं कही. I didn't make this remark. I didn't make this remark. कोई भी ऐसा अपमान सहन नहीं कर सकता. Nobody can bear such insult. Nobody can bear such an insult. वह सुंदर लड़की थी. She was a beautiful girl. She was a beautiful girl. वह सोया हुआ था. He was asleep. He was asleep. करीब 100 किलोमीटर. About 100 kilometers. About 100 kilometers. तुम्हें वहाँ पहुँचने में कितना वक्त लगेगा? How long will you take to reach there? How long will you take to reach there? चीज़ें हमारे बस में नहीं होती. Few things are not in our control. Few things are not in our control. उसे मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी। He will have to work hard. He will have to work hard. उसे माफ़ी मांगनी पड़ेगी। He will have to say sorry. He will have to say sorry. मेरा भाई पढ़ रहा है। My brother is studying. My brother is studying. वे बाजार जा रहे हैं। They are going to market. They are going to market. आप कब आए? When did you come? When did you come? मेरा एक काम करोगे? Would you do me a favor, please? Would you do me a favor, please? मैंने तुम्हारे साथ बहुत बुरा किया। I really did wrong to you. I really did wrong to you. आखिर चल क्या रहा है? What exactly is going on? What exactly is going on? कंप्यूटर चालू करे क्या? Do we switch on the computer? Shall we switch on the computer? क्या तुम्हें पता है? Do you know? Do you know? तुम कायर हो। You are coward. You are coward. अब वो काम से भाग नहीं सकता। He can't shirk the work now. He can't shirk the work now. हम नाश्ता कर रहे हैं। We are taking breakfast. We are taking breakfast. वह नहा रहा है। He is taking a bath. He is taking a bath. आप मुझसे नाराज हैं क्या? Are you annoyed with me? Are you annoyed with me? बताइए मैं आपकी क्या सेवा कर सकता हूँ? Tell me, how can I help you? Tell me, how can I help you? यह कमीज मैली है। This shirt is dirty. This shirt is dirty. यह कमीज फटी हुई है। This shirt is torn. This shirt is torn. बॉबी अभी आया है। Bobby has just arrived. Bobby has just arrived. उसने तुम्हें एक गिफ्ट भेजा है। He has sent you a gift. He has sent you a gift. यह किसका मोबाइल नंबर है? Whose mobile number is this? Whose mobile number is this? तुम कब मिलोगे? When will you meet? When will you meet? वह तुम्हारे जैसी दिखती है। She looks like you. She looks like you. किसी से कुछ मत मांगना। Don't ask anything from anybody. Don't ask anybody for anything. हम क्रिकेट खेल चुके हैं। We have played cricket. We have played cricket. वह अपनी इच्छाएं पूरी कर चुका है। He has fulfilled his desires. He has fulfilled his desires. अब आपके पिताजी कैसे हैं? How is your father now? How is your father now? सबसे अच्छी शर्ट कौन सी है? Which shirt is the best? Which shirt is the best? तुमने मुझे जगाया क्यों नहीं? Why didn't you wake me up? Why didn't you wake me up? मेरे पास 20 रुपए कम हैं। I'm short by 20 rupees. I'm short by 20 rupees. मैं रात में देर से सोया था। I slept late last night. I slept late last night. तुमने हमेशा मुझे डांटा। You always scolded me. You always scolded me. यह शर्ट कितने की है? What is the cost of this shirt? What is the cost of this shirt? कितने दिन लगेंगे? How long will it take? How long will it take? खेलते हुए टांग पर चोट लग गई। I hurt my leg while playing. I hurt my leg while playing. उसकी नाक बह रही है। His nose is running. His nose is running. मैं जिम्मेदारियों से कभी जी नहीं चुराता. I never shirk the responsibilities. I never shirk the responsibilities. मैं काम से भाग नहीं रहा हूँ. I'm not shirking the work. I'm not shirking the work. विपत्ति इंसान के धैर्य को परखती है. Adversity tries one's patience. Adversity tries one's patience. आज मेरा तुमसे मिलने का इरादा है. I intend to meet you today. I intend to meet you today. वो तुम्हें धोखा देने की सोचता है. He intends to cheat you. He intends to cheat you. इस रोड ने हमारी यात्रा को छोटा कर दिया. This road shortened our journey. This road shortened our journey. इस लकड़ी को छोटा कर दो. Shorten this stick. Shorten this stick. मैं इसका आदी नहीं होना चाहता. I don't want to be addicted to it. I don't want to be addicted to it. वो सिगरेट पीने का आदी हो गया है. He is addicted to smoking. He is addicted to smoking. क्या खुशबू है. What a fragrance. What a fragrance. इस फूल की खुशबू बहुत अच्छी है. The fragrance of this flower is very nice. The fragrance of this flower is very nice. हमारी ख्वाहिशें इतनी क्यों हैं? Why are our desires these many? Why are our desires these many? तुम ऐसे क्यों हो? Why are you so? Why are you so? पैसे किसके पास हैं? Who has money? Who has money? क्या तुम्हारे पास दिमाग नहीं है? Do you not have brain? Do you not have brain? ये टूटा हुआ दिल मेरा है. This broken heart is mine. This broken heart is mine. उसके कितने लड़के हैं? How many sons does he have? How many sons does he have? आप मुझसे ज़्यादा बुरे हैं. You are worse than I. You are worse than I. क्या राम मुझसे ज़्यादा अच्छा है? Is Ram better than me? Is Ram better than me? मुझे तुमसे प्यार है. I am in love with you. I am in love with you. इतने सारे पैसे तुम्हारे पास कैसे हैं? How do you have this much money? How do you have this much money? रिश्ते खूबसूरत होते हैं. Relations are beautiful. Relations are beautiful. ये कोई और है. This is someone else. This is someone else. ये कुछ और है. This is something else. This is something else. तुम्हारा कौन सा वाला पेन है? Which one is your pen? Which one is your pen? ये पेन किसका है? Whose is this pen? Whose is this pen? तुम्हारे पीछे कौन है? Who is there behind you? Who is there behind you? पैसे किसके पास नहीं हैं? Who doesn't have money? Who doesn't have money? तुम किस बात के लिए दुखी हो? What are you sad for? What are you sad for? राम कब तक इस जगह में था? Until when was Ram here in this place? Until when was Ram here in this place? मैं तुम्हारे सामने खड़ा था. I was standing in front of you. I was standing in front of you. मैं ठीक तुम्हारे सामने खड़ा था. I was standing just in front of you. I was standing just in front of you. किस लड़की के पापा वहाँ खड़े थे? Which girl's father was standing there? Which girl's father was standing there? मैं गिटार के लिए पागल हूँ. I'm crazy for guitar. I'm crazy for guitar. वहाँ कितने लोग हैं? How many people are there? How many people are there? पेन कहाँ रखा हुआ है? Where is the pen kept? Where is the pen kept? समय क्या हुआ है? What is the time? What is the time? तुम दोनों सबसे अच्छे हो. You both are the best. You both are the best. हम सब तुम्हारे साथ हैं. We all are with you. We all are with you. मैं तुम्हारा कौन हूँ? Who am I to you? Who am I to you? ये बच्चे मेरे हैं. These children are mine. These children are mine. यह तुम्हारा नहीं है. This is not yours. This is not yours. ये मेरी बिल्ली है. This is my cat. This is my cat. ये बिल्ली मेरी है. This cat is mine. This cat is mine. ये राम की किताब है. This is Ram's book. This is Ram's book. ये किताब राम की है. This book is of Ram. This book is of Ram. हम तुम्हारे हैं. We are yours. We are yours. मैं हर पल तुम्हारे साथ था. I was there with you every moment. I was there with you every moment. गाड़ी में कितना पेट्रोल है? How much petrol is there in the car? How much petrol is there in the car? तुम्हारे पास कितना पैसा है? How much money do you have? How much money do you have? किस शहर में हो तुम इस वक्त? Which city are you in right now? Which city are you in right now? मैं सिर्फ तुम्हारे लिए जिंदा हूँ. I'm alive only for you. I'm alive only for you. राम कहीं खोया हुआ था. Ram was lost somewhere. Ram was lost somewhere. मैं तुम्हारे सपनों में खोया हुआ हूँ. I am lost in your dreams. I am lost in your dreams. मोबाइल टेबल पर रखा हुआ है. Mobile is kept on the table. Mobile is kept on the table. मैं डरा हुआ था. I was scared. I was horrified. I was terrified. I was petrified. कितने बच्चे इस समय यहाँ हैं? How many children are here at this time? How many children are here at this time? राम 2 बजे से जगा हुआ था. Ram was awake at 2. Ram was awake at 2. राम 2 बजे से जगा हुआ था. Ram had been awake since 2. Ram had been awake since 2. उसके पापा पिए हुए थे. His father was drunk. His father was drunk. तुम मेरे करीबी दोस्त हो. You are my close friend. You are my close friend. ये लिखा हुआ था. It was written. It was written. ये गीता में लिखा हुआ है. It is written in the Bhagavad Gita. It is written in the Bhagavad Gita. भिखारी के कपड़े फटे हुए थे। The beggar's clothes were torn. The beggar's clothes were torn. क्या तुम्हारे पास कुछ था? Did you have something? Did you have something? तुम्हारे पास कुछ है? Do you have something? Do you have something? वो तुम्हारे लिए रुका हुआ है। He is waiting for you. He is waiting for you. तुम घर के अंदर थे। You were inside the house. You were inside the house. तुमने उसे क्या बताया? What did you tell him? What did you tell him? क्या तुमने कुछ कहा? Did you say something? Did you say something? 10:05 हुए हैं। It is 10:05. It is 10:05. मेरी घड़ी तेज चल रही है। My watch is running fast. My watch is running fast. खुद के लिए तो हर कोई करता है। Obviously, everybody does for himself. Obviously, everybody does for himself. तुम मुझसे नाराज नहीं हो ना? You are not angry with me, are you? You are not angry with me, are you? तुम कहाँ कुछ कहती हो? You hardly ever speak. You hardly ever speak. कहीं घूमने जाने का मन कर रहा है। I feel like going somewhere. I feel like going somewhere. अच्छा समय आएगा। Better time will come. Better time will come. बादल गरज रहे हैं। Clouds are thundering. Clouds are thundering. आज के बाद वो तुम्हें कभी चोट नहीं पहुंचाएगा। Now onwards he will never hurt you. Now onwards he will never hurt you. मैं तुम्हें जाने नहीं दूंगा। I will not let you go. I will not let you go. मन तो किया उसे एक थप्पड़ लगा दूं। I felt like slapping him. I felt like slapping him. तुमने किसका नाम लिया? Whose name did you take? Whose name did you take? मैं 1 घंटा पढ़ता हूँ। I study for an hour. I study for an hour. वह अपना समय व्यर्थ करता है। He wastes his time. He wastes his time. तुम्हें ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए था। You shouldn't have said so. You shouldn't have said so. मैं जाना तो चाहता हूँ पर जा नहीं सकता। I want to go but I can't. I want to go but I can't. दिन प्रतिदिन गर्मी बढ़ रही है। It's getting hotter day by day. It's getting hotter day by day. आप बिल्कुल समय पर आए हैं। You are just in time. You are just in time. बताओ मुझे क्या करना चाहिए। Tell me what should I do. Tell me what should I do. मैं तुम पर भरोसा कैसे कर सकता हूँ? How can I trust you? How can I trust you? हम रास्ता भूल गए। We have lost our way. We have lost our way. यात्रा करते समय सामान कम लेकर जाना चाहिए। You should travel light. You should travel light. वह कल स्कूल जा रहा होगा। He will be going to school tomorrow. He will be going to school tomorrow. वह आज आ रहा होगा। He would be coming today. He would be coming today. ग्लास में थोड़ा पानी और डालो। Pour some more water into the glass. Pour some more water into the glass. पत्र डाक द्वारा भेजा गया। Letter was sent by post. Letter was sent by post. मोटरसाइकिल का अगला पहिया पंचर है. The front tire of the bike is punctured. The front tire of the bike is flat. आपको पता है कल मुझे रिया मिली थी. You know what? I met Riya yesterday. You know what? I met Riya yesterday. अपने कमरे में जाओ और इंतजार करो. Go to your room and wait there. Go to your room and wait there. कृपया मेरे लिए एक गिलास पानी लाइए. Please bring a glass of water for me. Please bring a glass of water for me. श्याम तुम्हारे पीछे खड़ा था. Shyam was standing behind you. Shyam was standing behind you. कलम मेज पर है. Pen is on the table. Pen is on the table. मुझे किसी तरह पता चल गया. I somehow got to know about it. I somehow got to know about it. मैं कुछ कह रही हूँ. I'm saying something. I'm saying something. अपने दांत अच्छी तरह साफ करें. Clean your teeth well. Clean your teeth well. अपने स्वास्थ्य का ध्यान रखें. Take care of your health. Take care of your health. किताब तकिए के नीचे है. Book is beneath the pillow. Book is underneath the pillow. मेरे पिता की जगह कोई नहीं ले सकता. Nobody can replace my father. Nobody can replace my father.